Hey guys, we have a variety of ways to order single point watering systems to meet your needs and applications. Today we're going to be talking about the Master Pack and ordering parts in bulk to make your own kits. What we have here is a Master Pack which includes 60 individual valves. The valves already come with the swivel tees installed for you. It has 40 feet of tubing so you can build whatever application that you need. And it also comes with the red end caps that you may need to complete your system. We also offer a bulk way to order your male couplers to really complete your system. Our Master Pack is a great way to build your own kits, but also have some replacement parts on hand for easy maintenance.